questions. Love you too. Let's get started.
questions. The questions that are on my paper.
Hi guys, how are you? We collected some questions before the sound check. Where is Fatima?
Sarah.
Hi, Debbie. I love you. I'm from Quebec.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
If you were in a haunted house and you got chased by a zombie, would you rather get chased by a zombie or by a vampire? And why?
Probably a zombie because it seems more fun.
I love you.
Love you too.
All right, Alice. Allie.
Hi, Debbie.
Hi.
I was just wondering, do you ever get tired of like singing songs every night and the same ones over and over?
No, I have a lot of fun each time I do it. I try to keep it exciting, like changing up some stuff here and then, experimenting with new dance moves or whatever. I just like to have fun with it.
Show us your moves.
Okay, Kelly.
Sorry, would you rather get a tattoo of a dinosaur on your face or have a huge tattoo of Nicolas Cage on your back?
You probably hide Nicolas Cage's face in that. More than I could a dinosaur, of course. Depends on how big the dinosaur is. Bigger than my face is not gonna work.
Sophia.
You look like a pop star. Look at how sparkly and cool you are.
Do you ever bring your pets on your tour bus?
You know what? I do sometimes. This is the only tour in the United States where I haven't, I feel like. My dogs are at home and I miss them very much.
All right, last question. Millie, Luli.
I love your accent. I'm not expecting that to come out of your mouth. Hey. Oh, that makes sense. My tactics. I don't know, just beat everyone up. I'd probably run like I was being chased by zombies. I would probably attack everyone in sight. And I don't know, it's a dog-eat-dog world out there. Love you.
Thanks a lot.
So you guys want to hear one more song? Until I stare into your eyes, it makes sense to realize the possibilities. So